Okay guys, so we're just going to do a quick review of one-step equations. So you've got here 2x equals to 15, right? So what I do is I say divide by 2 both sides. And why I do that is because I'm trying to find the value of x that makes this statement true. Basically, it makes two lots of that number is going to give me 15. So how do I get 1 of x? Well, what you need to do is you need to divide both by 2, and 2 is the coefficient of x, so it makes sense to divide by that number there. All right, now also just a reminder that 2 is being multiplied with x, so it's opposite operation to get rid of it. But what you do to one side, you've got to do to the other. Then you can get your calculator, okay, put it on and do 15 divided by 2, and you'll get 7.5, okay? Now, if the answer doesn't specify, you can leave it as this way, or even you can go Shift SD and you can write it as a mixed numeral. All these answers are correct. Depends on the type of questions you're doing, okay? Let's have a look at one more. I'll get my tea towel here and I'll wipe it. Okay, let's have a look at another example of one-step equations. Well, this is also another type of one-step equation. Let's make it a decimal so it's a bit harder to sort of guess, because they can give you questions like that. So how would we go approaching a question like this? Pause the video, have a go at yourself, and then check my answer. Okay, so the idea is you look at x here. The coefficient of x is not 3, by the way, it's a third. All right, just keep that in mind because there's a 1 here, so it's a third. All right, and it's equal to 15.23. So I need a number that I multiply it by a third to give me 15.23. Again, hard to guess, but how about I just do opposite of operation? I'm just going to take away that number there. How about I times this by 3, I times this by 3. Now watch what happens when you times a third by 3. What are you going to get? Do it on your calculator if you don't believe me. You're going to get 1. All right? So then I'm going to get 1x here, which is what I want. But what I do to the right, I do to the left. Now, I'm not very good with doing decimals in my head, so I'm going to get my calculator. I'm going to put 15.23 times by 3. And look at the answer there, 45.69. How do I check if my answer is correct? Well, the original question was x divided by 3, right? What should I be getting? I'm looking for this. Well, let's put that divided by 3. Yes, so my answer is correct. I am getting 15.23 when I divide 45.69 on the calculator. Now I know my answer is correct.